So you guys, today is the day that I finally got my makeup vanity. In my other videos, you guys have seen that I've wanted one so bad, and I got all the supplies, and I'm just so excited. You guys don't even understand right now, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and basically the process of how to set it up and DIY it yourself. I can link all this stuff down below that I got so you guys can do it yourselves. I'm so excited. It looks amazing. I'll show you, I also got like a little remote so it can like turn on and off whenever I want it to. Like, I can show you guys right now. It's off, it's on, it's off, it's on, it's off, it's on. I love it. Turn it on. I don't know why this is, it's just so entertaining to me. Like, I love it. But before we get into the video, please hit the subscribe button down below. I would appreciate it so much. I've been posting more videos lately, and I just think it'd be amazing if you guys could hit the subscribe button down below. And also, if you end up liking this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I kind of showed you guys in my last video that I posted a little haul of the things I got, and I showed you some lights that I did get. Show you them at Home Depot. So we started off the project by taking out both of the back panels of the light bulb holders, just so we could connect both of them together for lighting purposes to set up with the controller. And we used wire nuts and electrical tape so we could wire them to a heavy-duty lamp cord that we were going to plug into the remote outlet. When we hooked both of them up together, both of them would be able to turn on with the controller, and that's just the controller that we got. So I did get the soft white color for the light bulbs, and we did get the 40 watts. And to make it safer to place on the wall for the mirror, this is the process that we did. And we tied it off, and we used some electrical tape and tied it in a knot, and then we drilled the hole and we put it on the wall. And then the next step was putting on the lights, and we put it side by side. And now, time for the exciting part, screwing the light bulbs on it. And this is just the process. Very simple. I'm pretty sure you all know how to do this. And it's already starting to look great. And then the added touch was definitely putting the lipsticks on the top of the mirror. And then we put another display on the side, and we're just gonna put some makeup on that side. The finished product of the whole entire thing. We have my little lipstick set that I got at Home Goods, and it was $12.99. This and the lights cost about, because I bought some extra lights, and it was about $60. And then I also got this vanity at Wayfair, and I can link all this stuff in the description box. And of course that little stain right there, my curling iron, and it got a little bang. But yeah, so this is basically what it looks like. It is so cute. So I am so excited. I did my makeup here today, and it's so cute. I'm gonna put more nail polish here, but it's just a nail polish, and then I have some little decoration things. And then I just have my makeup, my Starbucks cup, and yeah, I love it so much. And I have my mirror. I have this, came with the thing at Wayfair. I'll do a video on it of my makeup stuff, and yeah, this is what it looks like. And it's awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below to my channel. Also, leave in the comments down below any video suggestion ideas that you have for me. I'm thinking about doing a room tour or a makeup storage. So just give this video a like if you want to see some of those videos and comment down below. Yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!